Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the standalone Siri application on macOS 27. So, first of all, we have to make sure that Siri is enabled on our MacBook. To do that, we have to navigate to Apple menu, open System Settings, and in Settings, you're gonna have to find Siri on the sidebar, open this menu, and make sure that you have this feature enabled by switching the respective toggle in this menu. Then the Siri application should become available right on your dock or also in the apps menu. Once you open your Siri application, you will see the list of the previously started topics. If you select any of them, you'll be able to continue this topic and get more answers from the Siri. Or you can also start a new topic by tapping right here and beginning a new conversation that starts with you asking Siri anything, and it's and expecting a question out of it, or rather from it. That was pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.